in as much as the coaches know what more duties, responsibilities, abusu apanyi. Here players are ball league currently. Do na modern ball are very appalling. Yen I cry out to say, I was a fans attend the game no, but abusu apanyi idea ya attractive biano. You don't need to speak much. People will follow it. 87.9 Tigana betray mu wahana ne meme di echire. Nyesu wo mu bada. But the package no the nam no attractive. Nti se wo di echire akwabana ne esese wo di echire. But consistently your players na a ball league this season adia the technical team echire ene omo ankasa natural intelligence almost a footballer at the ball wow the crowd unfortunately here dear is so below belt performance of our footballers, some of our footballers currently in the league I was saying okona okoshe matches ni bia players ni bi boa as a Sunday special being a players for professional footballers. For players who do the level like so Premier League. The sort of games, the sort of performance or the class, respective class, I was saying very poor. And my coaches in the Jumania, the Mijitum, the coaches in the Biasa. Name players in the be more than one. I was saying so the headmaster and Kolabi or Bukunams or Palmu the show Mutim Grandfa. The sort of performances now. Emma league any light to be a mem. Yeah, who say you can mention 2, 3, 4 names, sir. Oh, colleague games now, you are rest assured. They say on their bad day, the crown that intelligent level, they ball now. Who expect a footballer or bad display no benya sadi and new beam. Most of them are so poor. Most of them ain't deserve the colors, the jerseys that they wear. And who you'll be up a football, who's paying a insult on Usika was spending to travel and watch these matches. So when them pain abuse your pain, yes, in the pain. Diamokoya no Algeria and any Mwasia. Coaches in Ibian kind of creme, Penifunibian kind of creme, for substandard players na decoy. But as a footballer, what aspiration in Yana say ube do the early stage, the grandest stage. Amu Biahu. But you do Kojina. Chan Muna performance when now put it out there. You are better off going to Division 3. Because some of the footballers I work Roman modern bono. My coaches in a bread. Coaches in a beer bon. But players in a beer bon. The natural intelligence in New York. Player names a baby a medruid here. A instep. A on step now. What's the way Crom Abuja Penny. Sometimes Ottawa. Now one can be Bianchema, the sort of things I will be canon. But this is our football, this is the league we cherish. But league in a bear far, the key artists in the show. The key artists, and a bear the topic for discussion. But don't call league games. Now players even modern boy. They said Wamoko in Africa. Share consistent level like David Abagna show. Your coach and do performance team in Nanya. But who's the modern boy was so weekend against El Ali. From RTU to Al Hilal against Al Ali in the CAF Champions League. Go and check the sort of performance of the man. Sheimor Ibrahim. These are players. I was so mama before crabba my makumum. So we want to do more. We want to top our game. But the more coaches in cancer you know it all. Mr. Mumu Papa. Performance na mu put in the befitted the Premier League division in any country. So my imagine say football and one am the be adwuma. You see the pain say it's about time. I was a mom modern so because this sort of performance for your respective clubs in the league, is something we will not accept. It's part of the reason here which are paying. And now your venues are any pass or more boost or more chair players on. We believe that you have the talent, but the talent alone will not take you anywhere. Someone pet time mam game no ade na djuma na mafato mo so no na mam wana mo mampanifo bi to sika gu a waste of opportunity, waste of resources. Nti abusu panyi ma share across the length of this country abusu panyi players in the modern body in league constantly consistently performance no form nti ye see ni pain coaches ni ye de omo de ko omo quarters nti na wie pain was in pain players in muntie mo modern bono is either some be pejam mu and I say, baby, I'm with you.